Hi guys, want to give you the second video for the week. It is solving multi-step equations. We did this at the end of last quarter, and you really need to know how to do this if you're going to do substitution. And that's one of the things I did notice that a lot of you had maybe have some trouble with. Some of you didn't even attempt it, but we need to be able to do it. Okay, so solving equations. With these, you notice they have for number one, they have a letter on both sides. So we need to move one of the letters. Me personally, I like to move the smaller one, but it really doesn't matter which one you move. And you're always doing the opposite of what it is. So I'm going to minus the 4n, and that one will cross out. So we get negative 9. 7 minus 4 is 3n plus 3. So next, we want to do, now we're down to a two-step equation, which you should all know. Remember, this is going to be PEMDAS backwards, so you're going to do the addition, subtraction first, then the division. So here's being added or subtracted. We do it to both sides because equations are like little kids. If one side gets a candy, other side wants a candy. These cross out, both negative, so they add them together. And now we do the multiplication division. And you get your answer. So, move variable. Remember, variable is the letter to one side. Then we're going to do the add, subtract. And then we're going to do the multiplication division. So here we have a negative 8 and a negative 7. Negative 8 is smaller. So we're going to add the 8x to both sides. And that crosses out. So we get negative 9. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1x, or just x. Now we can add or subtract. That will cross out. And since it is a 1, we don't have to divide because anything over 1 is just 1. Its number. We get that. Okay, next ones. Now we have the parentheses, so we have to add a step. We have to distribute. So we're going to so we have our steps from before. Let me see if I can copy them. Just a minute. Okay, so if I can do this. Let's see if it will move it down here. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. We're all learning, right? Let's see. Nope. Did not do that. Okay, we learned something. New program, trying to do something new. Didn't want to work. Okay, thanks for bearing it out, working it out with me. Okay, so we're going to distribute. So we're going to multiply to both sides. So we're going to get negative times negative is a positive. Negative times negative is positive. Okay. Then we want to move the variable to one side, right? So let me put that on there. I'm going to skip a space because there will be one step we're going to add. Move variable to one side. And then if you remember the other ones we did, we're going to do the addition or subtraction. And then we're going to do the multiplication or division. Okay? So go back. So we're going to move the smaller variable. The negative 2n is smaller, so I'm going to move it. So we get 4n plus 4 equals 12. Sorry about the dings in the back. That's my Google Chat. So remember, if you need to get a hold of me from 9 to 11, you can do it through that way. Or if you want to do video, Google Google Hangouts and also Zoom, but email me if you want to do Zoom just to make sure I am available. Okay. Because yesterday I was on with another student and we were on it for a little while. Okay, here we subtracted because it was positive. Now we're going to do the multiplication division. It's being multiplied, so we are going to divide. Okay, so again, distribute. So we get 18 minus 4a equals negative 3a. Negative times negative is positive. Now, here we have a new step. We want to combine like terms on the same side, okay? So, new step. Combine like terms on same side. I just fit it in. Perfect. So we're going to do 3 plus 7, but still left side stays the same. 3 plus 7, since they're both positive, we add them. I don't want to see you say minus 7 under the 3. They're on the same side, so you can combine them. Now, move the smaller a, smaller variable. Those are going to cross out. We get 1a or just a. Now, add or subtract. And if you divide by 1, it's still going to be the same thing. All right. That is how we do those. Let me see. Do we have another page? Nope. So I want you to keep practicing these and then go on to Khan Academy. There are a few questions you want to do. I think there's only 4. Remember, you need to get a 75% or better to get your full credit. Hope the video helped, and remember, email me if you guys need any help.